So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add audio into a presentation or into a video here on Visme. So once Visme's open up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the left-hand side of your screen and go to this media tab right here, sort of in the middle, press on media. Now there's three different options. There's videos, embed online content, and add audio. Obviously you want to go ahead and press on add audio. Now, what you can either do is upload your own audio if you want, view different audios that are already through here, or what you can also do is record your audio right here. But if, for example, if you just wanted to add some audio right here, you can just go to and view these ones right here. So if you just wanted to do this one right here, sweetener, I'll go ahead and then add this into the video right here. And if you were to go ahead and play it, not sure if you can hear that, but it's playing this music or this audio in the background. So it's a pretty straightforward process. But that's how you guys can add some audio into a video or into your design here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.